In this video series, we show you how to quickly test and develop an idea into a startup. I'm Donny Allenfoss, head coach at the E.ON Agile Nordic Accelerator. In this episode, we're going to talk about communication. When you start a business, you need to be really good at communicating to be able to sell your product, to be able to recruit new team members, and to be able to pitch for investments. When you have your basic communication skills in place, you might still want some extra help when it comes to pitching for investments, because this is a very specific skill, and you might want help from people who've been there before and know all the details.
Yeah, don't forget how much the pitch is about other things than the words that are coming out of your mouth. It's about where you look, your body language, it's about your eyes, it's about entering the stage and being confident, because you're gonna show them that me as a person, I am someone to invest in. So you need to be able to trust me, right? And this is me, not only my words, but this person.
You need to practice you saying your speech out loud, so you're used to the sound of your own voice. Then you need to practice it in front of a mirror, so you see what these hands are doing, or more often you see that, oh my God, I didn't move once during my entire pitch. Okay, so do it in front of the mirror, and then finally do it in front of a camera. Even for people that pitch all the time, it can be hard to watch, but it is always instructive.
So when you're pitching, it's really important to remember that you're actually talking with people. So you need to transfer it from having a monologue to having a dialogue.
Usually you run out of time. And the best place to save time is in the beginning when you're talking about your problem. Assume that your investors are intelligent people and cut down the amount of time that you talk on the problem. If you've got a 5-minute pitch, spend no more than 30 seconds talking about the problem. Why? Because that gives you more time to talk about how you're going to make them rich, which is the whole point.
Yeah, remember that you're actually running a business. It doesn't matter how early you are, it's a business you're doing. It's not a prototype you're developing. You don't need money to create something. You need money to enter a market or to take the next step into something. This is a business from day one you're working on it.
Modesty can be dishonest. If you have lots of relevant experience, tell me. If you're the world's best at something, say it. If you're really, really good at something, don't just say, I'm really good at it. No, if you're the best in Sweden, tell me you're the best in Sweden.
You need to remember to always tell the investors what your business could turn out to be. Of course, you need to tell them that this is where we are now and this is why we need the money now. But you also need to describe, this is what I'm gonna do with the money. This is where we're gonna be in 5 years from now.
So, in these episodes, we've given you the foundational steps to start your own business. We hope you've enjoyed this video series and that it will make you more successful on your startup journey. Thanks for watching.